Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our daily intraday swing and long perspective. Again, sitting on a momentum candle to the downside. Again, this is an engulfing candle, our full body covering our prior day's body of our candle, giving us this engulfing candle to the downside as we are leading into initial jobless claims tomorrow, 1 hour before market open. Again, this is after Powell mentioned, again, unemployment was not as high as we were looking for, which gave us this pullback. So are we going to continue on with this pullback if unemployment doesn't come as high as we are expecting going into tomorrow? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mention them every single day in the Instables room. Any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, we mentioned in the Instables room. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you'll never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here again, just to recap on everything that we have been keeping an eye on here. As you guys can see, again, overall, we have been sitting on anticipation of that possible Fed pivot again after Nick Timiraos mentioned that possible Fed pivot again. He is a Fed watcher. And as you guys can see, we did get that decrease in rates. However, Powell mentioning that unemployment wasn't exactly as high as we did need. So we did have that continuation on this pullback. And now we have been sitting within consolidation, looking to see if we can break out of the upper end of our channel that we have been tracking. We do have, again, a clear rejection here with our engulfing candle to the downside. However, we are retesting our 50-day moving average, looking to see if we will continue on below it, possibly close a candle below it going to tomorrow, depending on what initial jobless claims come out as. However, if initial jobless claims comes out better than expected, possibly higher unemployment that does come out within initial jobless claims, then we can have a possible momentum candle, and we will be looking to see if we will possibly continue on above our 400 level that we got rejections on for the last couple days. So again, we hit 400 twice, we got rejected, we did not have this continuation, we did not close above the upper end of our channel and get our proof of concept that we were looking for. So again, we are making sure that we are cautious, looking to see exactly what tomorrow's initial jobless claims come out as. And again, with our 20 still below our 50, showing us that possible bullish shift into bearish momentum, we are cautious, looking to see if we will have this pullback and possibly continue to respect our 20 as our 20 curls back up. That would be our bullish case scenario, looking to see if we will cross back over our 50 and then possibly continue to respect our 20 and continue on higher. That would be that bullish case scenario, guys. And as far as that bearish case scenario, looking to see again if we will close below our 50-day moving average, if we will continue to close below our 20 as our 20 curls and continue on lower. So again, we're looking to see exactly what tomorrow's initial jobless claims will come out as, how exactly we digest. That will be the watch going into tomorrow. Staying cautious, in my opinion, with data coming out. It's going to be a very volatile day tomorrow, so we'll see exactly what happens. And looking at our MACD again, with our decrease in buy pressure, we still have our EMA lines above the median MACD, so we are going to see if we can get that possible continuation. We'll be looking for confirmation by increasing in buy pressure. One thing that we did not want to see is a white shaded line coming out. However, that will give us more confirmation for that possible continuation on increases in buy pressure. So again, keeping that in mind, even though we did have our white shaded line coming in, even though we did have this pullback, in my opinion, if we got this increase in buy pressure and we broke above that 400 level here intraday, then in my opinion, we could continue on higher, possibly retest that 408 level, that key resistance that we are looking for. But again, making sure that we do get that proof of concepts as far as swings go, making sure we get that spike, possible retest, and then looking for that engulfing candle on the upper end of our channel to show that we are respecting it. So again, keeping that in mind, swings do need that proof of concept. Intraday, we're looking for a spike, in my opinion, above 400 and continue on above it to possibly 408. That would be the intraday perspective. But again, very much looking for confirmation here as far as swings. Again, recapping on our weekly chart here, as you guys can see, again, we are testing our upper channel with a rejection candle at this point in time. We are not closing this candle at this point in time, but however, we are sitting on the lower end of this candle, which could be a possible rejection candle again with the momentum candle to the upside. If we do close with a red candle here within our momentum candle to the upside, that could mean a continuation on lower, since we also do have our 20 weekly moving average still below our 50 weekly moving average, very similar to our daily chart. Being cautious, again, playing to the upside, but again to the downside, looking for more confirmation if we are going to continue on lower. Now looking at our monthly chart again, looking at the long perspective here, as you guys can see, again, we do have a doji candle at this point in time. We are not closing this candle quite yet. Again, we are still within just over 2 weeks of this candle, so looking to see if we will possibly close above the upper end of our channel for that possible continuation intraday, which again would be that retest on the upper end of our 20 monthly moving average. Again, that possible continuation here intraday, or will we possibly continue on with this rejection, our wick to the upside that we have currently on the rejection for that possible continuation on lower. Again, we do want to see if we possibly close within our momentum candle that we had on this pullback for that possible bullish case scenario. But again, we're looking to see if we can eventually close above the upper end of our channel here on our monthly chart. So again, that is our long perspective. We want to see at least that possible close on the upper end of our channel, and making sure that our 12 EMA crosses back above our 26 EMA on our monthly chart will be, again, that confirmation that we're looking for here. Exactly here on this cross will give us that possible bullish scenario for long. So again, just keep that in mind. We are a little ahead of the game here as far as longs go. We want to see more confirmation. We want to see at least our EMA lines crossing here to show us that we are going to confirm bearish momentum shifting into bullish momentum as far as longs go. Now, keeping that in mind, again, on the daily chart, looking for that possible confirmation if we are going to continue on higher. Tomorrow, initial jobless claims will show us exactly where we may be headed next. If we will possibly drop down below our 50-day moving average, look to see if we will possibly respect our 20 from there, or if we will possibly continue on below our 50 and below our 20 here and continue on with our 20 crossing below our 50 here. So again, keep that in mind. Again, typically we do get that shift in bearish to bullish momentum when our 20 crosses above our 50, and typically we do get that bearish momentum when our 20 crosses below our 50. And as you guys can see, as our 20 crosses below our 50, even though we have spikes, we do have typically rejections and continuations on lower. As you guys can see, we even got a spike multiple times here on bounces, but we didn't continue on higher on these spikes because we had our 20 still below our 50, looking for rejections below our 20. So making sure that we are cautious as we do have our 20 still below our 50. Looking for that proof of concept will be exactly what we're looking for here, guys. Again, if you guys are day traders, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, again, we mentioned any pre-market news 2.5 hours before market open every single day. Any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, guys, go to instabulls.com in the description below. For only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout with today again. And all of you Instabulls, I appreciate you guys every single day. We're going to continue to go at it, take what the market gives us. Very nice breakouts today. Staying consistent is going to be exactly what we focused on every single day in the Instabulls room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.